Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Septrianata Kusuma from class 15-2A30, and this is video I will discuss material about computer and inside the computer. Computer and inside the computer. Computer. Surely you all often hear the word computer and what is meant by computer. Computer in general is it's a set of electronic tools that can be used to process data according to various procedures that have been previously formulated so that they are able to provide information that is very useful for each user. Computer is an electronic device in which there is a series of various components that are connected to each other and form a working system. The system contained in this computer can carry out work automatically based on programs that have been introduced so that it can produce certain data and program. Computer history. Computer first discovered in by an English mathematician, Carlos Babbage. Initially, Babbage intended to create steam a power calculation machine that called calculation tables of numbers. He then named the machine Different Engine and was predicted to be the first computer in the world. Broadly speaking, computer development is divided into four generations. The first generation began when computers were used in academy and the military, such as the Atanasoff Berry computer created in to solve system of linear equations and the Colossus computer to crack the secret code of Nazi Germany. Later, ENIAC built-in became the first general-purpose computer. When its computer was turned on for the first time, Philadelphia experienced of a power outage. This generation of computers used vacuum tubes to store data and their size to up and enter ROM. The second generation started when transistors replaced vacuum tubes. UNIVAC was introduced to the public in for commercial use. Then in IBM started in computer business with the release of the IBM SIG-5 and IBM Severus programming language began to be developed and computer began to have memory and operating system. The third generation began when transistor technology advanced to integrate circuit. Mini computers were a significant innovation in this generation and influenced subsequent generation of computer. NASA used the generation of computer to launch the Apollo program, such the Apollo guidance computer to simply control the Apollo command service module. Digital Equipment Corporation became the number two computer company behind IBM with PDP and fax computer. This computer led to the development of the influential operating system Unix. The fourth generation began in the when the invention of the MOS and subsequent large-scale integration led to the development of microprocessor. In the year 1970, personal computer that became increasingly smaller thanks to microprocessor began to develop, starting with home computer and desk computer. The next technology was laptop and smartphone, which were phenomenal, bringing various technology companies into a patent war over smartphone. Historical overview of computer. The image below is an example of computer generation from past to present. Inside the computer. What is inside a computer component and how does it look? A computer consists of several components, namely 1. Motherboard. Motherboard has the function of providing access from each component to communicate with one another. Apart from that, the motherboard also functions to increase the flexibility of the computer itself. 2. Processor or CPU. CPU, the function is the receive interrupt, process the instruction, and then execute the instruction. 3. Heatsink. The heatsink function like a fan, namely providing cool temperature to the processor so that the performance of the processor remains stable and the heat from the processor can be removed through this heatsink. Next, RAM. RAM has function as a storage medium, but the RAM is temporary and can only be accessed when the computer is turned on and random. Next, hard disk. The function of the hard disk is to store and load data on the computer. VGA card GPU. The function of VGA card GPU is to convert digital signal produced by a computer into graphic display via a monitor. 7. Flash disk. Flash disk function to store non-volatile data. That is, data will not be lost even if there is no electric in it. 8. Monitor. The monitor is used to display the result of data processing of graphics from. 9. Keyboard. The keyboard adds an input component, namely a device the function, and as a tool for inputting data in the form of letter, number or symbol and copying it to the CPU. 10. Mouse. The mouse functions as an input component, namely receiving input provided by the user. Next, optical drive. Optical drive is a hardware device that was the same function as a disk or flash disk, namely as a storage medium. Next, solid state disk or SSD. SSD has the same function as a hard disk. However, SSD is an innovation in data storage. Next, power supply. Power supply aims to convert AC current voltage to DC. Next, LAN card. LAN card used to connect several computers into a network, especially in the LAN area. Next, WLAN card. The WLAN card function to connect a computer with network access. Next, sound card. Sound card relate to audio and sound need in a computer. Next, printer. Printer fungsi to display data in printed form, be it paper, image, or graphic. Scanner a tool used as a scanner or to duplicate document or object digital and store on a computer. Next, speaker. Speaker hardware that and as an output component where the speaker can produce output from the CPU in the form of sound or audio. Webcam. Webcam function almost the same of the function of camera in general, namely making it easier to process message such chat via on in real time. That's all the material I can convey. See you in another video. Thank you.